Hey everybody, it's Craig with ClipScribe. I want to talk to you about using virtual assistants or VAs to help you create your ClipScribe video content. So this can be really useful if you have a smaller team, if you're a solopreneur, you have a smaller business, and or you just need help making your video content happen. Maybe it's easier for you to create the videos, but you want somebody else to help you edit. And really, a virtual assistant can do a lot of different things for you when it comes to your video content. But ClipScribe is a platform that really works well for this. And so I was just going to kind of show you basically what I do when I have, my virtual assistant help me out. So what I will do is I will shoot a video and then I will upload my my video to ClipScribe, and then I let my assistant know, hey, there's a new video uploaded to ClipScribe. Now, the reason ClipScribe is really great for this and why virtual assistants are really great for especially social media video content, where it's this type of video content where you're just talking to a camera, you're talking to your audience. This isn't a Michael Bay movie here. We're not doing Transformers. We don't need a whole bunch of video clips edited together with music and everything else. You just need somebody to edit out any mistakes you have or edit out any sections you don't want in the video. And a lot of times in my video, I will speak to my VA in the video. I'll say, hey, this part I just messed up on, take that out. So it's a great way that you can communicate. And because in ClipScribe, it's so easy to edit out stuff like that, it's really simple. So I'll upload my video to ClipScribe, let my VA know, here's my video, here's what it's about. And then my VA logs into the ClipScribe account and, brings up the video. She'll load up a template. She'll load up one of the templates, or she'll select it. This video already has a template loaded here. She might add a headline. Sometimes I'll go in and I'll add the headline myself. And then basically she just goes through all the subtitles, edits them, formats them the way I want them. A lot of times I like the subtitles to be double-lined. She just goes through and makes sure there are no spelling mistakes, no other types of formatting mistakes here through the subtitles. She'll edit out mistakes, edit out big blank spots or spots where I mess something up. And the great thing about it is it's really more about language than it's about video editing, because you're literally just editing out mistakes or blank spots or whatever. And so you're going to look for a virtual assistant, whether they are, in your area or you're in your country, or maybe they're somewhere else, maybe they're in the Philippines or South America or wherever. And of course you might be in those places as well. So what you're looking for is somebody who can edit language better, because that's the type of editor, ClipScribe is. You're just saying, hey, I don't want to say this, and editing that out and taking that out. They might be splitting up subtitle blocks into multiple sections. So it's really more about that. And honestly, my VA was up and running within like a day or two. Basically, I just showed her the app. I said, here's what you do. And that was it. And she started doing videos. And like the first, maybe after one or two videos, they were pretty much great every time. So it's not a super complicated platform. It's real easy to teach somebody how to do it because it is just so very simple. Once she clones, that video over to those other formats here, like I said, she does a horizontal format. We put that on YouTube and the website. She clones it over to this horizontal format, and she'll go in and just make sure, everything is fine with those, exports them to Dropbox, and that's it. And then those videos are ready. And then I might also have her do some thumbnails and stuff, which you can also do in ClipScribe. So that's something that somebody can learn pretty quickly. Does it help if they have some kind of video background or understanding? Yes. Do they need to be an expert video editor? No, they don't. And so that's why I think ClipScribe is a great platform to use with a virtual assistant. Because when you're trying to get up and running, creating content, you're busy. This is somebody that could be very part-time, or it could be somebody, if you wanted to outsource, where maybe they're more than part-time, maybe even full-time, and they can, do a lot of other stuff for you. So let me know what questions you have about this. Do you have virtual assistants? How did you find them? What do they do for you? Do they do video stuff for you? Do they help you with your ClipScribe videos? Let me know your thoughts on that. And if you have questions about hiring somebody to do this kind of thing, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe. Check out ClipScribe.com if you need help. ClipScribe can help you get more attention on your video content in the feed, and can also help you expand your reach by taking one video, turning into multiple different types of videos. So let me know what questions you have. Thanks, everybody. This is Craig again, and I'll see you on another video.